You pick up your phone for just 5 minutes, and suddenly, an hour is gone. You didn't plan to waste time, but here you are, scrolling, tapping, consuming. It feels like you have no control. Social media and phone apps are designed to control you. The hidden damage social media is causing you. You may not even realize it, but this addiction is ruining your life in ways you can't see. Your focus is destroyed. You can't concentrate for more than a few minutes. Your confidence is dropping. Comparing yourself to fake online lives makes you feel like you're not enough. Your time is wasted. Hours pass, but you achieve nothing meaningful. Your sleep is ruined. Late night scrolling keeps your brain overstimulated. Your happiness is stolen. Dopamine overload makes real-life activities feel boring. But listen, you can break free. You don't need superhuman willpower. You just need a strategy. Here's how. Delete the hooks. Your phone is a trap because of endless notifications and infinite scrolling. Turn off notifications and remove addictive apps from your home screen. The less you see them, the less you'll crave them. Set screen-free zones. Make it a rule. No phone in bed, at meals, or during deep work. Keep your phone away while studying, eating, or spending time with family. This trains your brain to separate phone use from real-life moments. Replace the habit with real-life rewards. Start reading, exercising, learning a new skill, or working on a passion project instead of scrolling. Dopamine isn't the enemy. How you get it is. Make social media work for you. If you can't quit, use it with purpose. Unfollow useless pages, mute toxic content, and follow only what educates, inspires, or helps your goals. Turn social media into a tool, not a trap. Take control of your mind. Don't let screens control you. But breaking phone addiction is just one step. If you truly want to rebuild your habits, mindset, and focus, watch this next. How to change yourself in 7 weeks. Because quitting social media means nothing if you don't use that time to build a better life. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss powerful content like this.